Hello everyone, I am Mehak and you are watching W Social. So today in this video we will discuss about how pure water and groundwater is decreasing in world and how it is affecting our life. Groundwater depletion is a serious threat to the environment. The majority of our bodies and the earth is made up of water. We may see the beautiful flowering surface water that make up the ocean, lakes and river. But this water is not always safe for consumption and is much more difficult to filter the groundwater. Consequently, water from the ground is especially valuable. Friends, groundwater is something that we need all over the world. Humans and animals need water in order to survive as our bodies could not function without it. We also need water to assist us in growing crops, powering equipment and to keep us comfortable. But do you know what are the causes of groundwater depletion? So let's discuss this now. First cause, groundwater depletion most commonly occur because of the frequent pumping of water from the ground. We pump the water more quickly that it can renew itself, leading to a dangerous shortage in the groundwater supply. As a growing world with a population that continues to rise, the more we pump water from the ground at a rapid rate, the more difficult it is for the groundwater to provide us with the amount of water that we need. Second cause, agricultural needs require a large amount of groundwater. It's frightening to think that there is not very much groundwater left when you consider how much water we use on a daily basis to support our population of billions and our personal lifestyle. A large amount of groundwater goes to farming, but the availability of groundwater is steadily declining. Third cause, groundwater depletion can also occur naturally. The problem we would face with freshwater shortage is sure to cause problem in every aspect of our life. The activities that led to groundwater depletion come mostly from the humans. But a portion of it also comes from change in our climate and can speed up the process. Now we have talked about the causes of groundwater depletion, but now we have to find out solution to groundwater depletion. So now let's talk about this. As individual, one of the things we can do make a difference is to use less water for luxury purposes. We must also address the issue of groundwater depletion considering the impending rise of a mass water shortage. Everyone should do their part to use less water whenever possible. Water is used too freely, that is often part of outdoor decor ideas and used for major attraction such as amusement parks. We should reduce our use of chemical and dispose of them properly. Many people are not paying attention and are simply unaware of how important it is to keep pollution from occurring beneath in the ground. The water from businesses and private residents that run into the stress and sewage system are commonly laden with chemicals. Third one of the most effective way to address the issue of groundwater depletion is to find alternative sources of water. Alternative water resources can be used to help replenish aquifers. Deriving water from other sources would also give aquifers to refill instead of pumping too much water from them at once. This is all about today. For more such updates, please follow our channel. Thank you.